Hello friends, welcome to Remedies at Home. Here we talk about stuff which are right available in your kitchen and very beneficial for a lot of your body diseases like acne, hair, cough, cold, a lot of things. And in today's episode we talk about cold and cough, especially dry cough. Yes, you heard it right. Dry cough is a cough which actually remains in your throat after you had a cold, and it doesn't goes easily. You take a lot of syrups, a lot of medicines, a lot of tablet, but it remains in your throat only. You does a lot of things. You take warm water, you take different syrups, but it doesn't goes anywhere. So here I'm gonna tell you the solution, and the solution come with this beautiful yellow turmeric powder, and here is a pure honey. So with the combination of these two you can get rid of the dry cough. But before I tell you what to do with these two ingredients, I want to tell you something about this turmeric powder. Well, this turmeric powder is not only used for flavoring in your curry, but it's also have a lot of health benefit. It has a lot of anti-inflammatory features, and it's useful for your hair, your skin, your heart, and a lot of things. Also, it's more stronger. It's around 5 to 10 times stronger than vitamin E and C. So you can understand how important and beneficial this yellow turmeric powder. And if we talk about honey, it's a natural sweetener which the nature has provided to us. And if you are very fond of sugar, you can switch to honey because it's better than sugar. It has a very high quantity of fructose which make it sweet. And if we talk about this benefit, it has a lot of antioxidants which are useful for preventing cancer and some heart disease. It is also good for your ulcer and some your abdominal gastro problem, and it is useful for your brain also. Well, we talk about the benefit of honey and turmeric. There are a lot of things which are there, and maybe I don't know. There must be a lot of things. I've just talked which I've read and which I've seen myself, but I'm sure they must be having a lot of more property than I know. So okay, we'll talk about that, what we can do with these two things. If you have a dry cough, then you can make mixture of turmeric and honey. What you can do, you can take 1 spoon of honey, put it in a different bowls, and just use pinch of turmeric. You don't have to use much turmeric because it's very strong. And once you have put all these things together, now mix it well. And remember one thing, you don't have to heat it up. You have to keep it on room temperature. You have to just mix it well. Okay, so now this mixture is ready. This is wonderful mixture. It's kind of syrup, and you can use this syrup 3 times in a day: morning, afternoon, and before you go to sleep. And if you take it regularly, you can get rid of your chronic dry cough. And I'm sure it's cheap. It has more benefits than any other tablets what you take from your medical store, and it's very good. It's easy to make, it's cheap, it's not expensive. So if you have a dry cough, please go for it. So that's it for today. I hope that you like this video and the information I've given you. So please like my video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share it. Bye bye.